how to change language on RobinHood app. In this video, I'll show you how to change the language on the RobinHood app. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded RobinHood on your phone. If you're an iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you're an Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open RobinHood app. Now make sure to log into your account. RobinHood does not have a built-in language option inside the app, so to change the language you need to update your phone's language setting. So you can go to your settings on your phone. After that, scroll down and tap on language and region. Or you can also click on search bar and type in language. Now choose your preferred language. Now go back and open RobinHood app. The app will reflect your new system language if it's supported. Now keep in mind that RobinHood is mainly designed for English speaking users, so some parts may not fully change depending on the language, and this is how you can change language on RobinHood app. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.